Your email knows this message is spam, and nobody ever wrote a rule that says so. How? That question is the whole story of machine learning, and the answer is a genuine flip in how we build software.
Here is the one-line definition. Machine learning is getting a computer to learn the rules from examples instead of being handed the rules by a programmer. You show it what right looks like, and it works out the how. This is the flip. Classic programming takes rules and data and produces answers. You write the logic. Machine learning turns that around. You feed it data and the answers, and it produces the rules. The output is a model you can then run on new data. Why bother? Because some rules are impossible to write by hand. Try writing the exact rule for "Is this photo a cat?" There is no clean formula, too many cases and a fuzzy boundary. But show a model enough labeled photos, and it learns the boundary for you. So what actually comes out? A model. Think of it as a function with a huge number of tunable knobs. Feed an input in one side, a prediction comes out the other, and those knobs decide what it says. How does it set those knobs? By practice. It makes a guess, measures how wrong it is with a score called the loss, and nudges the knobs to be a little less wrong. Do that across thousands of examples, and the model slowly fits the data. That loop is what learning actually is. There are 3 classic flavors. Supervised learning trains on labeled examples, input and known answer. Unsupervised learning gets no labels and finds structure on its own. And reinforcement learning learns by trial and error against a reward. Supervised learning is the workhorse, the one behind most of what you use. Show it an input and the right answer thousands of times until it can predict the answer for inputs it has never seen before. And that is the real test. Doing well on data it already saw is just memorizing. The whole point is being right on data it has never seen. So we hold out a separate test set and judge the model only on that. The failure mode has a name, overfitting. On the left, a model that twists itself through every single training point. It looks perfect, but it memorized the noise and misses the real trend. On the right, a simpler model that ignores the wiggles and actually generalizes. One more piece. The model never sees the raw world. It sees numbers you feed it, called features. Good features, or in deep learning, features the network learns for itself, largely decide what the model can do. So where does it all sit? Artificial intelligence is the broad goal. Machine learning is the dominant method inside it, and deep learning, neural networks, is the dominant technique inside machine learning. Nested, not separate. Be honest about the limits, though. A model is only as good as its data. It learns correlations, not real understanding. Biased data gives you a biased model, and it can be confidently, fluently wrong. So in one line, machine learning is examples in, rules out, judged on data it has never seen. That single flip powers most of modern AI. For the full explainer and an interactive demo, visit unrote.com, linked in the description.